Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran business platform that keeps you updated with all the agri news of the nation. This is Jyoti Singh. So today we will talk about how to start composting business. Start your composting business. Turn trash into black gold. Experts say 30% of household waste can be composted, shrinking our carbon footprint and boosting sustainability. Composting is the magic that transforms food scraps like apple cores, leaves, and banana peels into nutrient-rich soil. It's like black gold for farmers. With the rising demand for eco-friendly solution, a composting waste management business not only cleans up the community but taps into the 60% recyclable food scraps from restaurants. Let's know simple step to launch your composting business. First is research. Learn the composting process and its benefit. Understand your local regulations. Second is plan. Decide on your business model, target customers and location. Third, we have setup. Gather composting materials, bins and a suitable space. Design your composting area. Fourth, we have collections. Offer waste collection service from households or restaurants. Composting. Follow the process, mix organic waste, turn regularly, manage moisture. Quality. Ensure compost quality through proper aeration and decomposition. Marketing. Spread the word through social media, local events, and eco-conscious networks. Scale. Expand operation as demand grows, collaborating with local farms or nurseries. Education. Educate your community about composting environmental impact. Success. Watch your composting business bloom while contributing to a greener planet. So now we will talk about the challenges of composting. Challenges of composting work can be dirty and smelly. Hence it attracts all kinds of pests. Though you can start this business in a small way, eventually you would need sufficient land and storage space. In cities that might be a problem. There will be a logistic involved in scaling up. Adding compost is one of the best ways to make a farm or a garden thrive without the use of harmful chemicals. Compost can be sold to farmers or residents in the neighborhood and in a huge demand due to nurturing market for organic produce. It is the perfect venture among green small business ideas with a lot of growth potential. We have also a natural boost in challenging process. Compost enhance farmers and garden sense chemicals. Selling potential. Farmers and neighbors seek a compost boosting demand. Organic trend. High demand due to thriving organic market. Green growth. A promising eco-friendly business with potential to flourish. Venturing the composting business offers challenges and exciting prospect. Despite potential mess and orders, the rewards of creating valuable compost for agriculture and gardens are immense. The thriving demand for organic products position composting as a green growth-oriented endeavor. While embarking on this journey, keep space, storage and pest control in mind. Urban setting may demand creative solutions, and efficient logistics are key during expansion. Ultimately, a composting business contributes to a healthier environment, aligning with the surge in eco-consciousness. Through composting, you are not only enriching soil, but also nurturing a greener, more sustainable tomorrow. And that's all for today's news. For more updates on agri news, stay tuned with Krishi Jagran Business.